Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have, it's simple. We have the extended parking lot sale. Extended parking lot sale. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. Checking out the merch store. But let's jump in. It's simple. We have Spring Black Friday extended April 14th to the 19th. We all know that the parking lot sale actually this time is going through April 13th. Parking lot sale for everybody. I was just there building the HARBRO bag, the Harbor Freight bag, car bag. We had to do some substitutions. This was during our live, but we made it to one store, bought everything, my local store. So hopefully the HARBROs are okay with a couple of the subs and you can see it, but we'll have a separate video for that. But here we go. Through tomorrow. So regular parking lot sale through tomorrow. No coupon needed through tomorrow. So if you missed out, you still have a chance tomorrow, or if you missed out all week and maybe you're hoping for some restock, well, this is what the extended parking lot sale is for. Now, they could take it away. It's never 100%. I feel like they've gone back and forth, but these coupons will be up soon. So let's just read the fine print so we understand. Using the Braun, 40% off all Braun lights. As an example, valid in store while supplies last. Valid 4/14 through 4/19. 2026. Coupon must be presented at time of use. 40% off all Braun lights purchased cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Includes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions apply. And of course, we have 30% off all ratcheting tie downs, 40% off all gloves, 30% off all cordless power tool batteries, and 35% off all Icon, Doyle, Quinn, pliers, and screwdrivers. And we took advantage of 1, 2, 3 of the big coupons for the parking lot sale. These will be coupon required, so keep these handy. And then looking back at the HARBRO calendar, it'll be Tuesday the 14th through Sunday the 19th. So that's a little bit more normal, ending on a Sunday. And of course, we've done a few videos on these, but if you missed out, you can check out that video. It was literally the best items to get during the Spring Black Friday, and then honorable mentions of 50% off or more. We go over all of them. So Spring Black Friday extended, we will look at some of the new tools. If you just happen to be in new tools, Haulmaster, dual ball adjustable hitch, 6-inch drop, 5 1/8" rise, $150. What are you made out of? Gold. Level your trailer with confidence using this 2-ball hitch that adjusts in 1-inch increments and supports 1,400-pound tongue weight. Specialized anti-rattle bumper reduces noise and vibration. Okay, $150. More Haulmaster. This old thing, Haulmaster RV trailer leveling blocks, $35. Create a stable level foundation for your RV or trailer in seconds. These heavy-duty interlocking blocks support up to 20,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, giving you confidence to park on uneven terrain. Oh, fancy. It looks like you're driving on top of some Legos. Pretty cool. I love it. Haulmaster trailer leveling blocks. Then we have this assortment from Doyle of their multimeters. Digital clamp meter. So here we have a 1,000 amp AC DC true RMS auto ranging digital clamp. Professional 1,000 amp AC DC digital clamp meter uses true RMS technology and a 6,000 count display for precise, accurate readings on electrical systems. $85 in stock in San Dimas. Shout out to San Dimas. Used to live there for a bit for having the digital clamp in stock. Also brand new. Doyle 1,000-volt TRMS auto-ranging digital multimeter compared to Klein Tools. 1,000 AC/DC digital multimeter uses true RMS technology and a 6,000 count display. Again, accurate readings on a wide variety of electrical and electronic systems. Excellent, $60. I think it's about time. We've been talking about that old multimeter for a while. I think all the Harbor Freight multimeters were pretty old. So now we have the 600-volt TRMS auto-ranging digital multimeter, just a step down from the 1,000-volt down to $35. Then the 400-amp AC DC True RMS auto ranging digital clamp meter at $65. 400 amp AC DC True RMS. Oh no, just AC, not DC. Get it twisted. Auto ranging digital clamp meter, $45. And then the non-contact voltage tester with infrared thermometer, $25 from Doyle. These are always nice to have. Professional voltage tester combines. I think I did buy a Klein one and it was like $65. Then I let my son play with it and he busted it. It still works, but it's busted. Professional voltage tester combines non-contact voltage testing and infrared temperature measurement in a compact pen style design. Yeah, that's the one I have. I think it's from Klein. 90-day warranty. Oh, Doyle, $25. What a deal. What a deal. Super handy to have one of these. $25, great. Wish there was a deal for it. And then we have a few new items here. This is Braun, so this one will qualify for the 40% off all Braun lights at $30. It's the 2200 lumen. Did we go over this? I feel like we might have, unless there was just, this is just a new redesign. The Braun 2200 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED spotlight, $30. No reviews. Rugged waterproof spotlight casts 2200 lumens of ultra bright light and illuminates up to 1300 feet away. The 4 different light modes make it ideal for job site, shop, or outdoor use. Rechargeable, $30. With 40% off, you're going to get it for $18. Save $12. Wicked deal. And then a Haulmaster 3300, 33-pound capacity, 2-inch, 30-foot commercial duty ratcheting tie down. And it does say this is also good timing for the Spring Black Friday parking lot sale. 30% off. So save an extra $7.20. So get this down to about $17. Great time for these brand new tools. Love it, which means these other ones are also part of the Spring Black Friday. Haulmaster 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5-inch by 12-foot ratchet strap down, straps 2-pack, notch core, $20. These ratcheting tie down straps are constructed with heavy duty stamped steel and corrosion resistant powder coating. They have durable soft tie loops to secure motorcycles, ATVs, large appliances, or other equipment without marring. Love it, gotta have it. And so there's your new tools, a couple that overlap with the Spring Black Friday sale, which is fantastic. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. How successful has your weekend been at the parking lot sale? I'm glad I got in today to get the bag, and I'm glad I got everything at one location. I was a little bit shocked that I found everything and nothing was out of stock, but then again, we didn't go for anything too crazy. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Are you excited about the extended parking lot sale? Get a few more days, get a week, essentially, to pick up anything you might have missed. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. We're so close to 25,000 subscribers. Can we just get there on this one? Let's get there, 25,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the HARBROs. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.